मैं हाय ब्रो के संग
The next morning.
Assalamu alaikum, this is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. मैं तैयार हो गई हूँ. I'm still not that well, but alhamdulillah better than yesterday. I'm going now and this is my fit. Today actually was supposed to be just 1 to 2 things. So if we postpone it, we are have to making up today. So inshallah dekhte hain kya hoga. But this is my fit. Let me just flip the camera. So this is my fit. I'm wearing green pants. I don't know why they're so looking gray, but then green pants and this shirt. That's it. I'm being very simple. So let's head out. So we had to go to Dubai Mall, which is very close by from Sheikh Zayed Road. We decided to take the metro, which was right opposite of our hotel. मतलब एक 100 meters या 200 meters चलना होगा, उसके बाद metro आ जाता है. And यहाँ मेरे husband ने card ले लिया है just for one stop. हमने Nolan card नहीं लिया था, एक stop के लिए ही लिया था because we didn't know how it is. तो आफ्टर दैट देर आर लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ दीज बोर्ड्स जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि कहाँ आपकी मेट्रो आएगी. एंड देन वी वेंट अप एंड वी वर वेटिंग देयर एंड द थिंग इज़ when you even take the Dubai Mall ka ticket, you will have to walk near about almost a kilometer to the mall itself, which we did not know. And the fact that the metro is always crowded, you need to be careful of your belongings. Yeah, a lot of them were traveling through metro, so it was always overcrowded. But if you want to be economical in Dubai, this is the way to go. And plus you can get very good views from the top if you get the seat, if you get to stand near the doors, then you can definitely see it. As you can see, हम दुबई मॉल और दिखा रहा है, बट यहाँ से हमें लिटरली 1 किलोमीटर चलना पड़ा था. एंड ओ माई गॉड, इट वाज अ लॉट टू वॉक टिल देयर. एंड जब मेरी तबीयत ख़राब थी एंड मुझे वॉक करना पड़ा, मेरी तो उसके बाद ऐसी हालत ख़राब हुई है कि आई कांट इवन टेल यू. या देयर आर एस्केलेटर्स लाइक दीज विच लाइक ईज आउट योर वॉक अ लॉट, बट स्टिल यू विल हैव टू वॉक. एंड अब हम पहुंच गए हैं बुर्ज खलीफा. टुडेज़ प्लान इज़ बुर्ज खलीफा एंड दुबई एक्वेरियम, जो कि मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में शेयर करूँगी बिकॉज वरना व्लॉग्स बहुत लंबे हो जाएंगे एंड आप लोग देखोगे नहीं. दैट इज़ वाई एम सेपरेटिंग इट. और वैसे मेरे हस्बैंड ने सारी बुकिंग्स एडवांस में कर ली थी. एंड द प्लस पार्ट इज़, अगर आप किसी दिन का बुकिंग करते हो एंड किसी रीज़न से आप नहीं जा पाते हो, टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट की वजह से या मेरे केस में तबीयत ख़राब होने की वजह से, आप उसको रीस्केड्यूल कर सकते हो. दे आर वैलिड फॉर 30 days इज़ वॉट माई हस्बैंड टोल्ड मी ऑन सर्टन टिकट्स. सो हम लोग एंटर कर चुके हैं एंड दैट इज़ बुर्ज खलीफा's मॉडल एंड दिस इज़ द रूलर ऑफ दुबई. सो वी आर जस्ट एंटरिंग एंड आई विल ऐड म्यूजिक फ्रॉम हियर. इट इज़ अ लॉट informative, so you can see and enjoy. Okay, अभी ऊपर आई हूँ and I have melted. I had applied Dermaco's BB cream and it did not sit on my face at all. So that is why it was a thumbs down for me. But look at the view.
And they plan to do something about it. We want the world to recognize that our hometown, this little city, is arriving on the global scene. One of the things that we're very passionate about is how we built this building in respect of the human spirit, respecting the city we live in, respecting our people, and respecting quality as well in what we do. It's not about tall buildings, it's about pride. This
After coming down, we went to the cafe in Burj Khalifa itself. Now, this is on the ground floor, and the view from here is spectacular. The cafe itself is decent. So, on the top as well, there is, I think, a cafe there, and there is a place to buy souvenirs, which we find quite expensive. So, we didn't buy anything from there. Apart from that, you can definitely get your pictures clicked. We had done that before, and we thought that it was way too expensive. It is literally 10,000 rupees, Indian 10,000 rupees for one photo, which I felt is too much. And here we are sitting in front of the fountain, enjoying and celebrating mom's birthday again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, my mom and my husband were having some conversations. I will end the vlog over here and see you guys in the next one. In the next vlog, we will see Dubai Aquarium. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already.